Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create the Lunar Chinese New Year makeup looks. If you're ready, let's get started. First, I will be apply the primer. All over my face. Next, I will be apply the foundation by Revlon. And then I will be apply some concealer by Maybelline. Apply underneath my eye and the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, my cupid bone, and my chin. And blend it out like so. Next, I will be apply some contour using contour stick by Maybelline on my nose, under my cheekbone, on my jawline, and my forehead like so. After that, blend it out. Next, I will set everything with the Mercier translucent powder. Then I will start draw my eyebrow straight to go along with the theme looks that we have today. After I finish with my brow, I will be apply some powder underneath of my eye, so avoid fall out from the eyeshadow. For this look, I will be using Decay Naked Heat Palette. Starting with the first color, I will put it on my eyelid like so. And second color, I will put on my outer corner of my eye. Then I will be using the Maybelline concealer that I had earlier on the crease of my eye as a base. Then I will be apply Decay and I put on top of that concealer. Now, time for the eyeliner. I'm using the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in the color Trooper. I'm draw it very thin and wink it out. Next, I will be applying the Tom Ford Cream and Powder Eye Color underneath of my wing liner, like so. Now time for contour. I'm using the Benefit Hoola under my cheekbone, my jawline, on my forehead, and use small brush, blend on the side of my nose. Next, I will be applying Urban Decay on my cheek and go all the way to my temple to complete the look. Then, time to highlight. I'm using Becca in color Champagne Pop. And now, I'm gonna go get my eyelash on. I'm using the Ardell Mink lash, and I will go fix my hair. I'll be right back. For my lip, I will be using Maybelline, the color Perfector. I will put lightly on my lip all over. So I will brush it off. Then I will be apply the MAC Jacob lip lipstick. You can use any red lipstick that you like. Put in the middle of my lip. And now we're done. Thank you for watching. If you like, don't forget to thumbs up or subscribe down below, and I will see you next time. Bye.